There are certain rules and regulations looking in, and there's some stuff happening here. You guys are working on the new pieces, the new collection. There are several aspects attached to one garment. It not just that one garment can be made easily. Since we are pro in hand embroidery, we do a lot of hand work. As you can see, these guys are doing. This is another technique of hand work happening here. Go a bit slow and see how it looks. And the second caricature is not here. On Chutti, third one is also not here. During the weekend. And there's another technique and handwork happening. Why did we choose handwork? Because handwork is have been our niche, joined Pooh's niche right from the beginning. And as you could see, the details here, very detailed work we like to work on. That's our specialty. It's a kid's jacket. I want to show you how handwork is done. It takes a lot of man hours to complete one particular detailed embroidery and garment. And that is when it comes to pricing, people say that why your garments are expensive, but it is what it is. Those who understand the value of handwork, they're definitely going to pay for it. And we're glad and thankful to the customers. And this guy is ironing. It's a very important part of the drill. Let's see what is he doing. And we go back. So ours is a small sampling unit. We do a lot of outsourcing also. And let me show you the beads, how they keep it compact yet packed in these utterly beautiful plastic bottles. So this is the inside of the studio. Let me take you to some more elements.